How would you like to get paid to use Facebook? Well, thanks to a recent announcement from Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg and Microsoft's own Bill Gates, getting paid to use Facebook at home is now a reality. Facebook has just released a program that will allow you to earn an income with nothing more than a computer, a tablet, or just a smartphone with an internet connection. This new program allows you to be paid weekly by check, direct deposit, or even PayPal. Stay tuned for more details and listen carefully.